Qatar, a land of shimmering deserts and dazzling modernity. A place where tradition meets futuristic ambition, creating a unique blend of the old and the new. Rising from this landscape is Hamad International Airport, a marvel of contemporary architecture and cutting-edge technology. More than just an airport, it's a statement. A gateway to the world that embodies the spirit of Qatar, a testament to ambition, innovation, and the pursuit of the exceptional. Every corner of HIA reflects a commitment to excellence. In the world of aviation, the Skytrax World Airport Awards are the Oscars. They recognize the best of the best. And in 2024, HIA took home the top prize, solidifying its status as a global leader. World's Best Airport is not a title earned overnight. It is the result of years of dedication, planning, and relentless effort. This is about pushing boundaries, redefining expectations, offering experiences that go beyond the ordinary. And HIA, my friends, does just that. It redefines what an airport can be. This is the home of Qatar Airways, an airline that is synonymous with luxury and impeccable service, an airline that sets the standard for comfort and excellence in the skies. But HIA is more than just a hub. It's a vibrant space filled with world-class amenities. It's a destination in itself, a place where art, culture, and comfort converge. From the moment you step inside, you're not just a traveler, you're a guest in a place that values your experience. And like any good host, HIA aims to impress. It strives to make every moment memorable, ensuring that your journey is as remarkable as your destination. Airports, those necessary evils of modern travel, we endure them. But HIA understands the weary traveler, the anxious flyer, the family on the move. This is an airport designed with you in mind. Signage is clear, check-in is a breeze. Security, efficient and painless. No more frantic searches for a power outlet. HIA offers unlimited free Wi-Fi. Need to entertain the kids? Dedicated play areas will keep them occupied. Forget those cramped, soul-crushing waiting areas. HIA offers comfort and tranquility at every turn. Let's talk luxury. Imagine stepping into a world where every detail is designed to pamper you, because HIA doesn't hold back. From the moment you arrive, you're greeted with opulence. Imagine this: a 6,000 square meter indoor tropical garden, lush greenery, a sanctuary amidst the hustle and bustle, the sound of cascading water. It's like stepping into a serene paradise, a true oasis of calm, perfect for unwinding before your next flight. And then, there's the art. Everywhere you look, there's something to marvel at. HIA is an art lover's dream. Galleries and installations that rival the world's best museums. Stunning installations from around the world. Each piece tells a story. Keep an eye out for the iconic lamp bear. It's a symbol of the airport's unique charm. Trust me, you won't miss it. It's a favorite spot for photos. But no airport experience is complete without a little retail therapy. Indulge in some world-class shopping. Qatar duty-free is a world unto itself. Luxury brands, boutique stores, a shopper's paradise. Unique finds you won't see anywhere else. Feeling peckish? There's more to explore. HIA's dining scene is just as impressive. International flavors, gourmet delights, a culinary journey, something to satisfy every palate. From quick bites to fine dining, it's all here. Section 4. Innovation at your fingertips. This is the 21st century, and HIA is an airport of the future. Cutting-edge technology isn't just a buzzword here, it's woven into the very fabric of the place. Think advanced security systems, smart check-in kiosks, and seamless passenger flow. But it's not just about being flashy. HIA is committed to sustainability. This is an airport designed with the environment in mind. From energy-efficient systems to responsible waste management, HIA is setting a new standard for green travel. Section 5. The future of travel. HIA is a global hub, a gateway to over 190 destinations. This airport is not just a transit point, it's a destination in itself. With state-of-the-art facilities and world-class services, it redefines the travel experience. 48 airlines connect travelers from every corner of the globe. Whether you're flying for business or leisure, HIA ensures a seamless journey with its efficient operations and friendly staff. But they're not resting on their laurels. Expansion plans are underway. These plans include new terminals, enhanced facilities, and cutting-edge technology to make your travel even more comfortable and convenient. A bigger, bolder HIA is on the horizon. More capacity, more amenities, and more innovative services are being introduced to cater to the growing number of travelers. More reasons to choose HIA as your gateway to the world. From luxury lounges to exquisite dining options, every detail is designed to enhance your travel experience. So, what are you waiting for? Experience HIA for yourself. Discover the joy of travel like never before, where every journey begins and ends with comfort and style. Discover why it's not just an airport, it's a testament to the art of travel. From its unique architectural features to its high-end shops and art installations, HIA is a celebration of culture and innovation.